Hey there, and welcome to day number 6. So today is a very short mat practice. Why I'm calling it a mat practice is because it's going to be some core work. Now don't get me wrong, core work doesn't necessarily have to be all about the physique. It's about how strong you feel in your body, engaging through the core, and how healthy your lower back is. So all of that kind of encompasses what the core is. So I won't get into that. But today is going to be simply 10 minutes, a quick 10-minute mat workout. So what I invite you to do, come all the way down onto your mat and we're going to get started. I've already set my timer up, so it's going to be a little less than 10 minutes. Don't worry about that. Come all the way down, laying all the way down onto your mat. Just remind yourself that shaking is actually a good sign. So I invite you to shake, shake, shake. From here, placing your palms right alongside of you, relaxing those shoulders onto your back. So allow for your shoulders to be nicely rooted on your back. Belly continues to draw in. Begin to reach your legs all the way up above. Just give them a little wiggle if you like those feet. With your next inhale, slowly begin to lift your arms, pressing them forward so that your shoulder blades are off of your mat. Okay, so from here, with your next exhale, begin to lower your legs down. And with your inhale, lift them all the way up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, belly draws in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. We've got 5 more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing those shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale. And inhale. Drawing those knees in towards your chest. Giving them a nice tight squeeze and gently rock from side to side. Good. If you like, begin to reach your arms towards the back of the room, pointing those toes forward. Good. Come all the way up to seated, keeping those knees bent and feet pressed down. Relaxing those shoulders onto your back. Good. From here, begin to lift your arms all the way up above. As you exhale, gently begin to lean back as you lift your toes off of your mat. Good. From here, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be twisting like so, drawing in, twisting, and drawing in. Okay, so let's get set up. Inhale, relaxing those shoulders, arms reaching forward. Lifting your toes. Reaching your arms all the way up above, chest lifts forward for 1. And back. 1 and back. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. Breathing. 8. 8. 9, 9, chest forward, 10, 10, 5 more, 11, 11, 12, belly draws in, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, last one, 15, and 15. Good job. And there you have it. Whew. What I mean by there you have it, we just finished this exercise. Let's come all the way down onto your belly. Elbows underneath your shoulders, spreading your fingers out wide, reaching that chest forward and lengthening from your belly all the way towards the top of your head. We're here for 2 full breaths. From here, we're going to lift ourselves all the way up, keeping our forearms down, moving into a forearm plank. So relaxing those shoulders down your back. Whenever you're ready, as you inhale, begin to lift your hips up, relaxing those shoulders for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Begin to lift your hips all the way up, walking your feet a little closer in into dolphin. Bending into one knee, bending into the next. We've got 1 more of those to go. Are you ready? Let's do it. Begin to walk your feet towards the back of your mat. Come all the way down into Sphinx. So I like to get set up this way. Relaxing those shoulders onto your back, spreading your fingers out wide. So what I invite you to do, if you're noticing that you're putting a lot of weight into your shoulders and even your elbows, more so than anything, begin to press your palms down. And as you begin, gently draw them in towards you. So you're slowly reaching your chest forward here, specifically in Sphinx. But while you are in a forearm plank, that's also quite helpful. So here we go. On your next inhale, slowly begin to lift your hips off of your mat, pressing down for 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lifting those hips, walking those feet in. Bending into one knee, bending into the next. Come all the way down onto your back. Placing your feet so that they are inner hip width distance apart. Relaxing those shoulders, palms come down. Good. From here, we're just going to be moving into a few bridge raises. So how is this a core exercise practice? Well, I'm glad you asked. From here, what I invite you to do before you begin to lift your hips, begin to draw your belly button in towards your spine, pressing your lower back down. Continue with that motion, continue with that movement within your core, so keep that locked in. From here, on your next inhale, slowly begin to lift your hips off of your mat. Exhale, slowly release, hover, lift, and hover, lift, hover. Continuing with that movement in your core. Hover, lift, 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 hover, lift. I know your glutes are probably just giving you a bit of a nudge here. We're almost done. We've got 4 more. Lift, hover, lift, hover, continuing that belly button, lift, hover, last one, lift, and hover, slowly release, drawing your knees in towards your chest and gently rock from side to side. Releasing your legs forward, releasing your arms towards the back. Really give yourself a really nice long stretch. Good. Coming all the way up to seated. There you have it. Just allow yourself to relax your shoulders onto your back. Exhale fully. So like I mentioned, it's a very short practice. 10 minutes just simply fly by. So if you'd like to tag this on to whatever movement practice you have set for today, then feel free. Or if you'd like this to be a simple standalone 10-minute mat practice, you're free to do that as well. So I'm hoping that you have enjoyed this practice. I'm hoping that those core muscles will be letting you know how they feel throughout the day today. Let me know how you are feeling, and I will catch you in tomorrow's practice for day number 7. That's going to be an entire week of you incorporating yoga into your day today. So I'm excited about it. I hope that you are feeling really amazing and great. I'd love to know. I'll catch you tomorrow.